All right, here we go, guys. 2025 Ford F-150. If you guys know, you know. It's got the 5.0 in it, sleeper truck. And this is his daily. It's a beautiful truck. It's got a tune on it and some other little goodies on there. And then he brought it to us and said, hey, make it loud. I said, I got you. So that's what we did. There's the cats. There and there. Why isn't the single there? Then we eliminated everything after that flange. No resonator, no muffler, nothing. And we installed 3-inch pipe right there. And he wanted it dumped under the rear axle, so that's what we did for him. With a Dynomax race bullet, part number 24219. 3-inch in, 3-inch out. There'll be a link in the description. Make sure you guys, always look in our description. We have all the links to all the exhaust that we are able to find, so you guys can just find it directly without having to worry about it. The Dynomax race bullet right there. And then it dumps right there. So, and originally the exhaust on this truck, this is how it comes. There's the tailpipe, and then there's a baby resonator and a huge muffler. All right, so we took all that off and replaced it. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Guys, about 90% of you guys don't subscribe. I'm really upset with you, so please subscribe.
All right, guys, we got a 2024 F-150 5.0. We did a Flowmaster Outlaw. It was stock, but we took it all off, took the resonators off. So anyways, factory converter right there. Another factory converter over there. And then the factory resonator sat there. We took that off. Now we put the Flowmaster Outlaw in right there. Had to add a Y pipe to it to connect it to the duals out the back. And then out the back each side. We also cut off the tips. Came with black tips from the factory, but we cut them off and put red ones on right there. Kind of matched the red F-150 on the back right there and right there. And it fills the gap a lot better. The other tips are a lot smaller. Here's the old ones, like 3-inch. And the old muffler resonator right there. Yeah, took them off. Fills the gap a lot better. Looks a lot cleaner. There it is. 2024 F-150 with Flowmaster Outlaw. Let you guys hear it in a second. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. 2026 Ford F-150 XLT with the 5.0. We cut off the resonator and muffler and put a Borla ATAK on. Customer bought the ATAK for us. So really like Borla. Anyways, factory converter there. Factory converter there. Wise goes single there. And then that's where we cut off the resonator and put 3-inch in its place. All the way into the Borla ATAK right there. And then here's the part number on the ATAK that we used. 400-844. And then ran it back into this pre-existing 3-inch tailpipe with a new tip out the back. Double wall stainless steel right there. There it is. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe.
Here we go. 2025 Ford F-150 5.0 with Dynomax race bullet dumped. Here we go. Go ahead. So fresh and so clean, squeaky clean. Even though it rained, it still sounds fresh. Give it gas. Yeah, it's clean. Your sound decibels. Go ahead, harder. Hit it a little bit on. Right at 106. 106, bro. That's not bad. And that's he's barely doing it to like 3,000 RPM. Go ahead. Does it have a rev limiter or anything on it? Can we go up higher? Go ahead, go up higher. 107. Oh, nice. What was that at, 4? Do it like 5. There we go. 108. That's not bad. That's perfect. All right, go ahead and back it up. And it's silent when it's sitting still. That's crazy. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. There's a beautiful shop right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. Come and see us for all your exhaust needs. I like them wheels too. You need that kind of grip with this truck because it's so light. This is the sleeper truck Ford made, which I love. Bring back the V8s, always. Again? Yes, sir. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside.
One more time. All right, go ahead. You back it out. Let you guys hear it on the inside. That's the resonator and the muffler we took off of it. All right, go ahead. Idle's around 88, 87. 87 and a half. Sound decibels. You got 117 there for a second. Sounds good, don't it?
There, that thing sounds
It's,
good.
it's aggressive.
Heck yeah.
Let you guys hear it on the inside.
All right, here we go. 2025 Ford F-150 slammed. Wide wheels. I like them. They look good on it. Short bed. 5.0 sleeper truck. Here we go. It has a tune done to it. That's about it. And then we did the exhaust Dynomax race bullet. The longer version. Be a link in the description for it. That sucker's quick. It's quick.
2024 F-150 5.0. They're Flowmaster Outlaw, Resonator Elite, and red Natami tips. '26 Ford F-150 XLT 5.0. The Borla ATAK. Resonator.